Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, innovation, and the future of driving come together. Today, we're taking a look at something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a luxury RV designed to redefine road travel. This is not just a motorhome, it's a five-star hotel on wheels, blending Rolls-Royce elegance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort into one breathtaking package. For buyers who want the ultimate travel experience, this could be the most luxurious RV in the world. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome carries unmistakable Rolls-Royce design DNA. The front features the iconic large grille, elegant LED headlights, and a sleek sculpted body that gives this massive RV a commanding yet graceful presence. Chrome accents, premium paint finishes, aerodynamic styling, and huge luxury wheels make it look sophisticated from every angle. The long body design is both stylish and practical, with integrated storage compartments, automatic steps, and smart lighting that add convenience and class. Step inside, and the Rolls-Royce Motorhome feels more like a private luxury suite than an RV. The cabin is filled with handcrafted leather, real wood trim, soft ambient lighting, and premium materials throughout. Plush lounge seating, a massive smart touchscreen system, premium surround sound, and digital controls create a modern luxury atmosphere. The living area offers spacious seating, while the fully equipped kitchen includes high-end appliances and elegant finishes. In the rear, passengers get a private bedroom with a king-size bed, luxury wardrobe space, and a beautifully designed bathroom featuring premium fixtures and spa-like comfort. Rolls-Royce is expected to include panoramic windows, starlight ceiling details, climate-controlled seating, and advanced smart home-style controls, making every journey feel first-class. Performance is expected to be just as impressive, with a powerful hybrid or V12-inspired engine setup delivering smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Advanced suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, premium braking systems, and modern driver assistance features ensure comfort, safety, and confidence on long trips. Pricing for the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is expected to start around $800,000, while fully customized ultra-luxury versions could easily exceed $1 million. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just an RV, it's the ultimate luxury home on wheels, combining elegance, performance, and world-class comfort in one incredible package. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle reviews right here on Road Roar.